A boy and a girl riding a cycle.
She is going to fall because she plays the game very slowly. And the boy laughs. The boy's name is Vishnu. She is so sad and has come home. She told her mom, "I am playing the game wrong." She started practice for her sports. Her sir is told, "You practice full day."
You must give practice.
Next day, she got a sports day. She is ready to race. She never gives up.
Till the game is over and fight for our team, never give up.
Then she goes slowly. And then what will happen? A phone is ring the mention of words. She stepped by step to go faster. Finally, she won. She is proud of herself.
Good job, my dear Rucha.
A ringtone is Save Me, that race.